decimal position. Okay, so how much? $21.65 plus $5. Inflation? Then you plus the 10% GST. $10%, you know, right? $7. So what is the total?
Yeah.
It is right. It is right.
Setting the working and then post it to the wall and then making comments. Okay, can I move on? Okay.
Because this is not the concept of mathematics, it becomes the question is of.
Yeah, sure. So this kind of question would normally not appear.
继续再录，录完了，全部录完了，你才按。
Yeah, this kind of question is to facilitate in the activity-based learning. Okay, there's ambiguity, definitely. The ambiguity will spur investigation and to prove the mathematical theorem that we have, which is the computative law. So in the exams, definitely you will not have such ambiguous answers or questions. This is merely a task that facilitates investigation.
Because one of them increased, the other one decreased by the same amount. Therefore, the total cost is not change. Yeah. But we are not using this question to talk about which one is right or wrong. I mean, the government have already decided for us, GST should be applied to both the food item and the service provided, right? So there's no argument. So you're not allowed to compute your GST using the second method or compute your service charge using the second method. You have to be familiar. But because this is part of our daily life, I think, and I don't think it's too difficult to discuss this in the classroom. So I think it's okay. That's why in the PODIA problem method, right? The first one is understanding the problem. So perhaps just now because we are all adults, I may not explain enough time to talk about the double plus indicate how we calculate solution. But in the classroom, if there is a need, then maybe we spend a bit more time on it. Right? Yeah. So this question have a lot of room to discuss, and also because you see, if you are going to work the service charge in GST, not using this kind of method, you will know that the number changes. Right? So there is a tendency for the student to choose to think that the total price will not change, right? And then in the end, when you surprise them with this, I think that will be a surprise to them, and maybe that will arouse some curiosity for them, want to find out more. And then maybe there will be an opportunity for you to bring in this commutative law of the numbers, and then in a way you will have so-called enriched learning, right? So of course there are ambiguity, right? And yes.
Can I ask, what in your operations, you know, A times B times C equals to A times C times B is the same thing. Must I illustrate the answer being the same?
Yes, you must. You see, if we are going to go through the rigors of the mathematics, right? Actually, every step is very important. Right? You cannot just step.
I see.
Yeah. So I think in the end, it's still the thinking and reasoning and the logic. Right? You want them to be very systematic, logic, and very careful. Yeah.
So, Mr. Guy, I want to say I agree with your question that this question is not an irrelevant question in daily life. GST is very prominent in every single step. My 7-year-old will also know that will also come to know that GST is applicable on daily life. So I don't think this is ambiguous question. I think this is the right question because of the word if there. Because you write if, so it's a hypothetical question. Therefore, I think this is a good question to start with. Yeah. I agree with your argument.
I think we choose this question because certain there are room for discussion. That is our main purpose.
So, yeah, we have time for one more question. Anyone?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's not an exam.
It's not exam. So in exam, the answer has to be definite. So if you have definite answers in a question for learning activities, the activity will be quite short. Okay? And it doesn't spur the students to think further, where we elicit higher order thinking skills from them. Okay? If the answer is so straightforward, there's no need for discussion.